Hi, I'm Pat Kelly. Okay, now each of the problems in this group is either going to go very quickly and easily for you, or it's going to involve a bit of work. And I say that because each problem in this group gives us a function that we've already worked on. They asked us to do it in an earlier exercise. In the earlier exercises, we were supposed to come up with either a Maclaurin or a Taylor polynomial that approximates that function. So for this particular problem, this function I've already worked on. And from that earlier exercise, I have this Maclaurin polynomial. If you didn't do your earlier homework, you're going to have to do that now in order to get this polynomial. Because now in this problem, all they ask us to do is to use that polynomial to approximate this function at that value of x. Okay? So for me, that just means that I'm going to approximate f of 1/4 by using this p sub 4 at 1/4. So an old pre-calc idea is we're just taking that argument and putting in wherever I see an x. So 1 plus 4 times 1/4, 8 times 1/4 squared, 32/3. 1/4 to the 3 power, and then finally 32/3, 1/4 to the 4th power. Okay, grab a calculator. Let's actually just enter that exactly as it is. So I guess what we say is plug and chug, and that should end up equaling approximately 2.7083. Okay, that's all they wanted us to do for this problem, is use the polynomial and plug in this specific value of x. And what we're supposed to be seeing is that that is going to approximate this function for that same value of x. So if you know, they don't ask us to do this, but if you want to check, e raised to the 4 times 1/4, well, that's just 1. E raised to the 1 power. E raised to the 1 power is 2.718281828. You can check that out on a calculator as well. But this came pretty darn close, and that was the point. Okay? Thanks, and I hope that helped.